Are you tired of working hard, but still broke? You're not alone. Welcome to the Freedom Years Project, where we help you win the money game. Many of us work 40 hours a week, only to end up with zero savings and growing debt. The truth? The system isn't built to make you rich, but you can beat it. The money game is winnable once you learn the rules. And I'll break it down in 3 simple rules anyone can follow, even if you earn minimum wage. Rule 1, pay yourself first. The rich invest first. The poor pay bills first. Flip the script. Start your month by setting aside 10% for savings or investment before anything else. Rule 2, don't play the status game. You don't need to look rich, you need to be rich. Skip the pressure to impress. Choose freedom over flexing. Rule 3, multiply income streams. A job is not enough. Start with one side hustle and grow from there. Think freelancing, reselling, or digital products. Small starts become big wins. Want to start winning today? Download our free budget and freedom tracker below. Subscribe for weekly money tips to help you win the freedom game. Your future self will thank you.